This game-changing AI editing tool is absolutely amazing. It has changed my workflow. I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks that I use when I'm editing my work. Let's get into it. The first trick I'm going to show you guys is how to make Reblum an action. So you're literally just going to press your action and it's going to do everything I've just stated in the video before. If you're just finding this video, I suggest you watch this one first. I'm going to put above, watch that one first and then come back to this one, so then you can understand what the process is. But the first thing, yes, we are going to do is for the action. So what we want to do is we want to make a new set first. We want to call this Reblum. Press OK. So now we've got a group called Reblum, because you can do multiple ones as for natural and the fashion look. You can also do different strengths, so you can have your own sort of collection in this folder. So now you want to go to new action. So now we're going to start the new action. We want to call this first one natural. This is going to be the first basic natural one. I'm going to color code it, so I'll have that color. You can put a function key if you wish, I'm not going to. Then you want to press record, and now you want to go to filter. After it's recording everything, you want to go to Reblum retouch. Then you want to go to the process of which one you want to put first. Obviously we're doing natural first. You can adjust the intensity, texture, the general intensity of the overall. I'm going to leave everything as it is. So as you can see, this is before, after, before, after. What, literally I haven't clicked anything yet. This is just the basic as it is, and look how well it's done it. So now that's done, press OK. So now that's done there, and then you want to press stop, and then that will have recorded these steps that we just done for future. And then you want to just go to bottom mode just so you can see it there, natural. That's it. We can try this on the next one now. As you can see, this is the full image. Hasn't been retouched yet at all, just been color graded, that's it. And then we want to press natural. Then it's going to process, and as you can see, it's done at a single click of a button. Then you've just got your retouch in there done, everything done at a click of a button. I mean, guys, look how fast that is. And then as it's in Photoshop, if it has missed anything, it's literally 1 or 2. Now we can just go to the blemishes, and then we can take that 2 out. I mean, how long has that taken us? A couple of seconds compared to 20-30 minutes. I know some people take hours for a photo, and look how quickly that's done. And then you can do the exact same process to then make for the fashion one, and then any intensities that you want to do. Now this is the main trick. As you can see, this isn't retouched at all yet. Haven't done anything yet. Haven't applied the Reblum retouch yet. But as you can see, she has freckles, and sometimes the Reblum can detect the freckles as an imperfection or something you want to get rid of. But generally I like it. Obviously, if that's fine, if you guys don't want models freckles in, or she doesn't want the freckles in, or he doesn't want the freckles in, that's fine as well. But I like the freckles, kind of gives it character. So what we're going to do here first is we're going to go to the background, we're going to uncheck that, we're going to press Control J or Command J if you're on a Mac, just to make a layer. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Reblum here, after action that we just created. We're going to click that, and as you can see, it has taken away some of the freckles, but that is not to worry. As you can, what I'm about to show you, we can let's just make this a bit larger. And then what you want to do is you can then go to the erase tool, and then we can just make this brush a bit smaller, and then what you want to do is just go over. You can kind of see where the other freckles were and kind of just go over those, just so you can bring back the freckles from underneath. And you're just gonna go over them. As you can see, some of the freckles, or some of them are starting to come back, but we're not going over where the Reblum has taken out the blemishes. So that's literally how you can see. Then you have the layer underneath. If there's anything else you want to bring back, you can still do that. I think that's pretty cool compared to before, and I think that to me is what I like. That just enough, and just enough retouching as well. And there you go, there you have it, guys. That's how you bring back some of the details and some of the maybe imperfections that are perfections that you might want in the photo, to just give it more character. The Reblum does such a natural retouching effect, so you don't really have to worry about it taking away from the skin. It's just some of the more sort of imperfections you want to bring back into the photo to give it more character. I think this is perfect and streamline my editing tenfold, and yeah, I can't wait for my next event, because I won't be dreading editing with the Reblum plugin. But guys, again, this was a quick little tutorial. Check the full video, as I mentioned earlier, of how to use it and stuff like that on my last vlog, this vlog actually with Chloe here. I have a full vlog so you can see where we were shooting, the lighting conditions and the editing as well in the last video, so check that in the card above. But everything will be in the description below. If you want to check this out, you can try it out for 7 days with no credit card needed, and if you do decide to go ahead with it, you will get a discount. So you can check the link in my description for everything that you need to know about this. So this is an amazing tool, and I can't wait to do some more video editing tutorials. If you like this video, guys, as well, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you like it. Let me know if you want to do some more. Anything else you want to know about it, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.